So, hey y'all. I'm gonna be making slime. If you have seen my slime video before, I haven't finished it. Yeah, it's part 1.
Yeah.
This is how it should look out.
Cool.
Okay.
Close.
Okay. Put it back. So, we're ready to take it out. If it's done, this fork, when you poke it, it'll come right out.
And that's actually does not good.
My sister.
Hi.
Go.
I like to
Go.
Maybe.
See how that looks. So, that did not work.
What? Dang it.
That did not work whatsoever.
That's because.
Yeah. So, that didn't work. I have to take out the other one. This looks much sturdier. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Super cold. It's not done yet, but you can see that forming. Okay, you need fridge for 5 to 10 more minutes. So, these are some things that I already did. It was just sitting in the fridge. This is not this. It's something else. So you see this? Should look like that. Ooh. So yeah, it should look like this. Okay, look like that. Look at this. This is looser, and it's not done. See? Okay. It's been about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So, about 5 minutes. So this is how it looks again. Okay. So like that. Then this phone, you slap it down again. It's like if you ever went to the mall or the store and you see those things, you could throw them on the ground and it comes back up like that. It looks sort of like this. My next video is going to be how to make paint yourself anyhow you like. So yeah. Then Brianna, did you see your knee pads?
Yeah.
Why? You. Okay. So.
I want to say something.
What? Also, have something to say.
Just to let you know, if you want to fish, come here. Bye-bye. And that's a fucking fish!
I have no idea what she said. Don't know what she means. So, I'm going to put up cones, right? So, I'm going to see if it's well done, like that. So, we'll take it out. So, look at it should be like this. Terrific. It's terrific. Okay. So, it looks like this. See, look at this. It's not drippy or anything. And it's clean as like how that is. It's like sort of like whitish. That I'm gonna add some food coloring and mix it up. Got this little food coloring, yeah. Look at that blue. Look at that. Looks so good. Bam. Should look like that. anyway.
Krusty Krab, the Krusty Krab, Krusty Krab.
She
Hey,
watches them.
what is this?
Go!
I will crush you.
So, there's your slime. This one didn't work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down the bottom. Any comments? Feel free.